If you are in autoglass business and you want to advertise on Google when somebody searches for your services, I want to give you some tips regarding Google and how you can use this strategy to be first on Google and what options are, and especially SEO options. This SEO means search engine optimization. You will optimize your website, your strategy to appear here on Google, and you will get new clients, and actually you will not need to advertise with ads. As you see here, this is ad, and you can appear on search results here like 77 autoglass or here exceptional autoglass. And this is one of our clients. I'll show you some tips how you can use and benefit for being on first on Google. Let's go. This is our client in the autoglass business. As you also are in this business and you want to get more clients, we have more videos explaining how different strategies can you implement and use and benefit from all of them. So check here description below the link to the whole series of these messages, and you will learn how to optimize your landing page, how to optimize your Google map, how to optimize a lot of things regarding your autoglass business to get more clients. And in this we focus specifically on Google and SEO. As you see here is big title. This big title is autoglass service. It's mentioned where it's what you are doing, and here on the landing page you mention the location on your business. When you open your landing page, if you have one, if not, check also description. We make landing pages for a very good price and we optimize them for sales, so definitely check our prices. Is very reliable for you. But these tips is free. Actually you can find them online, but we will focus specifically for autoglass, so you can get as much information and focus it specifically for your business, for your location. Because SEO, it can go very crazy with different information, and you can learn SEO the whole life because Google changes the algorithm all the time. But we will discuss the algorithm on the landing page, and not only how you can benefit. And even if Google changes the algorithm, you will remain in a good positions. And this is why I want to help to see how you can do it. First, you need title. As I mentioned, you need this title to be big, H1. This H1 developers or people who make websites know what this means. H1. And place what your services, and also location in the as on first screen. This is above all information to know. Google will read this information and they will know. Actually, Google reads. Let me show you how he reads your website. This is what he see, the robot, what is using all this data, and he is seeing here, okay, title, description, and other stuff. So he reads all that information, crazy stuff, and he makes the decision, okay, this is a good website or not. And you need to be a good website. And if you have title, this is 1 point for you, and he will index, okay, this is relevant information. And here's, you see my cursor, when I hover, it says exceptional autoglass minus autoglass service, Roswell, California, lifetime, and so on. So this is title, also the web page. Again, you need to have your keywords. This is a keyword. You need to have keywords here, where you need to be on what keywords you want to advertise. But of course you need autoglass and your location. And in our case it's Roswell, California, maybe you're Los Angeles, maybe Orange Coast, maybe some location. You need to have this information here. And if you'll do this is very advantageous, because you'll be on Google's algorithm, you will tell the Google, okay, I am this kind of business, I do this kind of things, and Google understands, oh, this is a reliable business, I should advertise. Why these companies are paying money? Because, by the way, we have a course on how to make Google ads also, because they don't have these keywords very accurate placed on their titles, and they are not doing much about regarding SEO, especially this website, as you see here, Autoglass replacement. They don't have Roswell, they have other places, and here is just a couple of text. It's not enough, so they pay money for advertising. In your case, you can do it kind of for free. It will consume you time and to learn how to do it, or you can hire somebody to do it. So, as you understand, Autoglass Roswell, you need to have titles. It's very important to have it, and also it's better to repeat these keywords somewhere here where it's relevant for you. Autoglass and maybe location of your business also need to be here. And its location, and Google understand, okay, this is location. You see, he sees the Google map also location, and he analyzes all this information all together and see, okay, this is a good reliable business, and I should advertise this business on Google search. This is internal optimization, and I just cover a couple of options what you can do very fast, easy for your website. And now let's take external optimization. This means you need to do something outside of your website to optimize it, to let Google know you are a good, reliable business. One of the ways is to have Facebook, Yelp, other websites linked to your own website. For example, here on Facebook, more businesses, more people is talking about your business, and have a link to your business. Link to your main website. So Google reads the Facebook, see here, okay, exceptional Autoglass is Roswell, is about Autoglass, okay, it's relevant, and he gives you some points. Okay, one little point, you have a backlink. It's called backlinks, and it gives you some points. Okay, if you have for example, Google Map, here on Google Map you have a link to your website, and you see link in this Autoglass. Okay, all about Autoglass. Again, some points. You can register on other different websites, but relevant websites. Don't place a link somewhere it's not relevant. Maybe somebody will have a blog or website or somewhere relevant to your niche, and he can post his links, and Google sees more and more links linked to your website. More links to go to your website, you will get more points regarding the Google. So this is what you need to get more links to your website. People will talk about your website, and Google understands and places your website ahead. You can get a link, for example, for a big website, what is very trustworthy from industry, and you will get more points. You can get a link from other websites, small websites. Let's imagine what is small website. Let's go to our competitors. Or no, let's search. What is how to change a glass for glass. Something like this. And here you have some videos. You may have some websites relevant, and if they will include the link to your website somewhere here. Oh, by the way, if you need Autoglass shop in Roswell, click here, and when they click, they go to your website. This Google analyzes and sees, okay, these guys are offering Autoglass, and it's relevant, and he will get more points. More points. This means your website will be even ahead of other competitors, because other people is talking about your website. So this is a very good strategy to get ahead of others. So, for example, here, or somewhere somebody gives you a link, but don't go to irrelevant links. For example, this website is not relevant to Autoglass, but you can buy even links to this kind of website. So you don't need to buy. You don't buy Google. Don't like this, and you may get banned, and you lose the positions. Don't buy links. Get them as how you can have it. Articles, buy articles, or pay some money to write an article about your business, about something what you do, and you'll link to your website, and link by link you will build this network, and more, let's imagine this is my microphone, on my microphone is the website. More links is to this to your business. Google understands, okay, this is reliable business, and he will boost your visibility, and will rank your website higher in that results. This is one of the way you can do SEO, and just need more links after you optimize the website. Think how you can get that links, and get more links, relevant links to your website. Okay, see you in our messages. I hope you to read some comments. If you want to give us some links to your website to see how you are doing, link your website here in the video. Maybe will help a little bit to boost your visibility, but also we will know what kind of businesses are following us, are watching these courses, and maybe we'll get connected one day. We offer our services for Autoglass businesses. If you want, you can check here below in the description, and we'll like to work together. So see you in the next video.